The purpose of this still developing facility, where we have a variety of what are called lower vertebrates and invertebrates, is actually to support both our undergraduate teaching and our postgraduate teaching. So that includes all the invertebrates that you can think of, but also fish, amphibians, and reptiles. Some of them will range from things like cockroaches or millipedes that many zoos and aquariums would have. Other species, like some of the chameleons, or we have a lot of mantella frog species from Madagascar. These things are either endangered or critically endangered, and those are populations that we're working with zoos to try and actually figure out how to optimally keep those species so that there's a backup population, so that if they do go extinct in the wild, are they lost forever, or have we got some that maybe somehow we could put back in the wild one day? The purpose of this facility is actually to support both our undergraduate teaching and our postgraduate teaching. So we have undergraduate degrees in zoology and a master's degree in zoo and aquarium conservation biology. And those require students to learn about the husbandry of animals and to carry out projects in those areas. So students use the lab when they actually set up projects or during specific training practical sessions within courses. What they can actually do is everything from a very simple, how do you design one of these tanks so that it's appropriate for a particular species. I think not only does it give them very strong practical experience in terms of doing the things that they would do at a zoo or aquarium if they got a job there, it gives them a greater appreciation of how you actually care for species and the amount of work and planning that goes into that. If we've got species that are actually contributing either to the direct conservation of those species that are going extinct in the wild, or helping to understand how zoos or other organizations can help to maintain those species that are disappearing in the wild, then that's a direct benefit to all of humanity.